I'm controversial Campbell, I tell like it is, but nobody listens. So I've decided to shun those bloody Gaelic pests. Oh yes, just get rid of them. See, when I win the lottery, the first thing I'll do is build a wall from Greenock to Peterhead to keep those Gaelic money scroungers up in the Highlands where they belong.
And the first ball in tonight's draw is number 13.
Unlucky for some, but not for me.
And the second ball in tonight's draw is number 20.
A nice sweet creamy start there.
The third ball in tonight's draw is number 43.
Free out of free, you might have to start looking for a brickie.
Ball is number 14. And the fifth ball is number 21.
This can't be happening. Come on, number 7. My lucky number 7. 7 is for heaven to keep these Gaelics out.
And now, we have a special guest presenter all the way from BBC ALBA to announce our final bonus ball entirely in Gaelic.
You are taking the piss.
Please welcome Bhon McKinnon.
I don't bloody think so. Out the window with a hoochter choochter lot.
Agus sé I fríomhála, àraid
That can bagger off.
That's right, our final bonus ball is number...
Communist propaganda on TV. Not on my watch.